Delysium right here is making me about $73 every single day, and I want to show you more about the project and why you probably should get in here as well. For all the nodes that are currently on sale that you heard about from other YouTubers, where we got Myria nodes, Neoxa nodes, Delysium by far makes the most sense right now. They started off with like a 30-cent token drop and then went down to like 1.5 cents over here. But then because of the AI hype, this redeemed to itself and went up to 67 cents at the peak just a couple of weeks ago. When you go to the site for the first time and you click on DMA in order to purchase a node, you can see 16,000 have been purchased so far. And the price goes up by $25 for every 100 that are being sold. I got mine back around $2,100. They're now at $2,600 a piece. You can enter this code over here and then get yourself a node. The system behind it is a little bit weird. When you're in your MetaMask and you're connected to Delysium, it looks at how much USDT you have in your wallet, which you then have to deposit into Delysium before you make a purchase. Which means when you see your wallet balance down there, this is not actually what is in your wallet, it is what is deposited onto your account within Delysium. In this dashboard over here, once you're connected, you will need to click on deposit in the USDT option. Then you can see your wallet balance, and then you can put in money. Right now, you get a little bit over 18 tokens every single day. That equals to around $8.15. If we go back up to 70 cents, which I would assume will happen in the next month for sure, then this is going to make you $12 a day. So we're looking at a return on investment period of less than 7 months. I wouldn't be surprised if this can go up to like a $1 billion market cap with everything that they do, being at the forefront when it comes to games and AI in crypto, being established with their nodes being out for almost a year by now, and the work that they have done with Lucy AI behind it in order to onboard people into Web3. That, with the various stages that they launched and the marketing behind it, I would not be surprised if we see this one at a $1 billion evaluation or the token at around $1.50, which would then make you about $24 every single day. The more nodes you get, the better, and I wish I would have gotten more than 9. Once I accumulate around 5,000 AGI, I will use that again in order to buy a 10th node in here, and I might buy another 5 fairly soon. If you believe in the future of artificial general intelligence, then Delysium is right at the center of it, and you might like the project too. You can also stake the token for up to 146% APR, and the best thing is, when you want to transfer your tokens and withdraw things in here, you don't have to go with the Ethereum mainnet and pay like $50 in gas fees. You can use the Binance Smart Chain, pay 20 cents, swap the token on PancakeSwap or any exchange, and you're all good to go. I will make more videos on passive income projects on this channel and let you know about everything in my portfolio fairly soon.